Hey, look, it's a giant Dorothy.
Well,
On the left there.
nice. Yeah. It is too. It looks just like it, except for it doesn't have the lights on it.
Oh, no. You ever think, like when someone does something on your dash cam, you think it's like more interesting than it really is once you watch the video?
Yeah.
Like, a guy cut me off in Battle Creek, and I was like, oh, he almost fucking hit me, and then I look at the video, and I'm like, actually, he just cut me off, he didn't actually almost hit me.
Yeah.
Because he cut across 3 lanes, got right in front of me.
Those
Yeah.
videos are misleading sometimes. I think they actually make it look like it's further away than it is.
Oh, shit!
What? Oh, fuck. Ladder.
Go, go, go.
Oh, semi missed it. Oh, he's not gonna miss it. Oh, he's seen it.
Oh, shit. I was just talking about that.
You were too. Nice. I didn't even.
Then somebody doesn't. The car doesn't even know that truck is still going.
Just lost your fucking ladder, man. Drove that car on a donut. Especially
Oh, that car just cut across 3 lanes in front of a semi. Holy shit.
Oh, here it is. Well, oh my god. It's really hard to capture in a picture.
Ready?
Oh, no. Andy. You imagine if you lost your brakes, dude? You'd go right into that fucking cleaner over there.
Probably sold out.
Second left, Interstate 90, eastbound, Interstate 94, eastbound.
Holy shit! You ever see that one where that was pretty nice.
Oh my god. They really were while driving like that. Holy shit.
Oh
shit.
almost. What the fuck? Why didn't he get over the rest of the way? Oh, now you decided to use your turn signal. I really don't. I think he was so into texting you didn't notice what he was doing. Shit, that's one thing I forgot to do this week. Oh, they're not even slowing down. Never even touched the brakes.
To 1/2 mile.
Wait, I'm in no car.
The car, they can crawl across to you, and then you come into our house, and bam, we hit.
Yeah.